What's up, guys? So I've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max here and the iPhone 16 Pro Max here. They're about the same size. In fact, the cases would fit, at least this case would fit on this one. This case wouldn't fit on this one because of the camera bump, but I'm actually going to take the cases off and show them to you. So what do you guys think? What looks better? Should I have gotten the orange on the Pro Max, the 17, so that little orange would be peeking through? I kind of like the way it looks like in this black case. I know they don't have a black iPhone, but if you have a case, basically it looks black. Let me see the 16 Pro Max first without the case. I actually don't remember what color this is. Okay. It's a little scratched from that magnet inside the case. I didn't realize that case was, I should have put some cloth or something in there. That titanium's kind of scratched. Oh, I didn't realize that was gonna happen. So be careful what kind of case you have. This is a case from Moment, I think. Yeah, no, Small Rig. Small Rig made this case. And Small Rig, your case scratched up my phone. It's kind of dirty too. Let me actually take the screen protector off of this, and then we'll look at the 17 and compare it. Because this screen protector is, it's really beaten up. I didn't actually want the one that turns dark when you flip it around. The screen looks good though. The screen looks super good. Yeah, I accidentally got that, throwing that away. All right, now let's take a look at the 17. I went with the midnight blue color. Here's what it looks like outside of the case. I think this one will probably scratch even worse. Wait, are there exposed magnets? No, this cheap case is better than Small Rig's case. Doesn't have the exposed magnets there. So I haven't really scratched this up yet. I know some people have, but I do have a case. I don't have a screen protector. So let's take a look at the two phones next to each other. They're really about the same size. They feel about the same weight to me, just holding them. This one's a little bit more comfortable. It's a little more rounded. I'm about to do a low light test walking around, so we'll see what that looks like because it's really dark outside. I'm going to be walking outside here, so we'll see what that looks like. What do you guys think about the new iPhone? Do you like it better? Is it worse? Worse or better? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. Scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.